Have you ever wondered how much it costs to borrow money from a digital bank? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Neon Bank interest rates. Neon Bank is a popular choice for many people because of its convenient online platform and competitive rates. But what exactly are those rates? Let's break it down. Interest rates for savings. Neon Savings Account. This account offers a competitive interest rate for your savings. While the exact rate may fluctuate, it's generally higher than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Neon Fixed-Term Deposits. For those looking to lock in a higher interest rate for a specific period, Neon offers fixed-term deposits. These deposits have a fixed interest rate for a predetermined term, such as 3, 6, or 12 months. Interest rates for loans. Neon Personal Loans. Neon offers personal loans for various purposes, including debt consolidation, home improvements, or vacations. The interest rate for a personal loan depends on several factors, such as your credit score, income, and loan amount. Neon Overdraft Facility. If you need a short-term financial boost, Neon may offer an overdraft facility. This allows you to withdraw more money than you have in your account, up to a pre-approved limit. However, there's usually an interest charge on the overdraft amount. Factors affecting interest rates. Credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining the interest rate you'll receive. A higher credit score generally means a lower interest rate. Loan amount. The amount you borrow can also influence the interest rate. Larger loan amounts may have slightly higher interest rates. Loan term. The length of the loan term can affect the interest rate. Longer loan terms may have higher interest rates. Market conditions. Interest rates can fluctuate based on economic conditions and central bank policies. Tips for getting the best interest rate. Improve your credit score. If your credit score is less than ideal, work on improving it by paying bills on time, reducing debt, and avoiding new credit accounts. Shop around. Don't just settle for the first offer you receive. Compare interest rates from different banks to find the best deal. Negotiate. If you have a good credit history and a strong financial profile, you may be able to negotiate a lower interest rate with Neon Bank. Neon Bank offers a range of financial products with competitive interest rates. By understanding the factors that affect interest rates and taking steps to improve your credit score, you can increase your chances of securing a favorable rate. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Neon Bank interest rates or other financial products, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.